In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop new clients from booking on Fresha using our comprehensive step-by-step 2025 guide. Whether you're managing a small salon or a bustling spa, keeping your bookings organized is essential, and sometimes that means ensuring only your existing clients can make appointments. Let's dive into how you can easily achieve this. First things first, we're going to log in to Fresha Partner. You can do this by opening the Fresha Partner app on your phone or by heading over to the Fresha Partner website. Once you're there, sign in with your business account credentials. If this is your first time logging in or if you've forgotten your password, there's always the option to reset it. Once logged in, you should be able to see your dashboard full of all the bustling activity of your business. Next up, we need to adjust your online booking settings. To do this, look over at the side menu on your dashboard and go ahead and tap on Settings. This is where you'll find all the configurations you need to manage your business's online presence, including bookings. Once you're in Settings, select Online Bookings to access and modify how your bookings are handled over the web. Now let's focus on restricting bookings to existing clients only. In the Client Booking Policies section, you'll need to find the option that reads something like Allow new clients to book online. The exact wording might be a bit different depending on updates, but the key here is to locate this setting. Once you've found it, switch the toggle to Off. By doing this, only those clients who are already in your database can make bookings through your online system. This is a great way to manage your workflow and ensure that your loyal clients always get the preferred spots. You might be wondering what happens when a new client tries to book. It's quite simple. They'll see a clear message on your booking page informing them that your business is not accepting new online bookings at the moment. This way they are well informed and can contact you directly if they're interested in your services, allowing you to manage new inquiries manually. And there you have it. You've effectively limited your bookings to existing clients, streamlining your appointment process, and ensuring that your calendar is reserved for your regular clientele. This method is particularly helpful if your business is at full capacity or if you're looking to provide exclusive services. Thank you for watching the video. We hope this guide was helpful in managing your Fresha bookings. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on managing your business effectively.